Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I want to show you an alternative way to fasten off your yarn. Now often what I will do is snip off my yarn and then yarn over and pull through for a chain, and that will essentially make a knot in the end of your work. But I wanted to show you a different way where you don't have to end up with that knot, and that means that your ends can be a little bit neater. So what you need to do here is snip off your yarn, leaving a good length for your tail, and what you're going to do here is pull your yarn all the way out like so. We're then going to take a darning needle and thread that up. And you want to be careful of your tension here. What we're going to do is bring the yarn through from the back of the work to the front like so. Again, not being too tight on the tension. If you pull too tightly here, you're going to distort that very last stitch, and it becomes difficult if you want to work a border into that stitch. So once you have done that, what we want to do is turn the work to the side, and then we're going to go from the top of the stitch into the actual stitch itself and down. Obviously, if your stitch is longer, you might have a little bit further to go. Again, not being too heavy-handed with your tension here. We still want to make sure that we can work into that stitch. So I'm just going to pinch that here and then pull slightly on the tension. And then all I would have left to do here is weave in this end as normal. So I would just weave it in along this area here. Checking the tension and then weave it back. Like so. Then I would snip off my yarn, and then I have a really nice knot-free finish to my work. So another quick one from me today. I really hope that you have enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it takes your crochet to the next level. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Bye.